to the garden gate, sowing seeds with hands so free. Green kale growing just for me. Digging rows, the soil so fine. Planting hope row by row in line. Watering as the sun's on high. Green leaves stretching to the sky. Sowing green kale, it's easy as can be. Kale, 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 thriving endlessly. Watering, watering, each and every day. In our simple garden, this is where we play. Underneath the fir tree shade, little sprouts begin to fade. But with care and a watchful eye, kale comes back reaching to the sky. The satisfaction's worth the toil, growing greens from good old soil. Every day with love and care, green kale thrives beyond compare. Sowing green kale, it's easy as can be. Kale, 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 thriving endlessly. Watering, watering, each and every day. In our simple garden, this is where we play. Beneath the fir tree shade, little sprouts begin to fade. But with care and a watchful eye, kale comes back reaching to the sky. The side is where we play. The sowing green kale, it's easy as can be. Kale, 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 thriving endlessly. Watering, watering, each and every day. In our simple garden, this is where we play. This is where we play. On our rooftop garden in the morning light, we sow the seeds of green kale, everything's bright. In a little tray, it's just me and you. Watering, watering, where dreams come true. Side by side with our hands in the dirt, planting every leaf, feeling love's gentle flirt. The sun smiles down and the breeze softly sails in our rooftop heaven. It's all about the kale. Kale, 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 growing every day. Green and so tender in our rooftop tray. Watering, watering, under skies so blue. In the heart of the garden, I find joy with you. Every morning, coffee cups in hand, watching our little kale forest stand. From tiny seeds to lush leaves they sprout. Our love grows deeper, there's no doubt. The city hums below, but up here it's still. We find our peace in every green frill. Life's simple pleasures with soil between toes. Our rooftop paradise is where true love grows. with you. You. In the morning light I wake, head out to the garden gate, sowing seeds with hands so free, green kale growing just for me. Digging rows, the soil so fine, planting hope row by row in line, watering as the sun's on high, green leaves stretching to the sky. Sowing green kale, it's easy as can be. Kale, 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 thriving endlessly. Watering, watering, each and every day. In our simple garden, this is where we play. Underneath the fir tree shade, little sprouts begin to fade. But with care and a watchful eye, kale comes back reaching to the sky. The satisfaction's worth the toil, growing greens from good old soil. Every day with love and care, green kale thrives beyond compare. Sowing green kale, it's easy as can be. Kale, 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 thriving endlessly. Watering, watering, each and every day. In our simple garden, this is where we play. Beneath the fir tree shade, little sprouts begin to fade. But with care and a watchful eye, kale comes back reaching to the sky. The side is where we play, the sowing green kale.